Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix video not playing on iPhone iOS 16.1.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Reset all settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode. Again reset all settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution 2. Reset all to default. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Safari. On the Safari page, scroll down, tap Advanced, tap Experimental Features, scroll down, tap Reset all to defaults. Solution number 3. Turn off screen time. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Screen Time. On the Screen Time page, scroll down, turn off screen time. Screen time will no longer be reported and all limits, downtime setting, content and privacy restriction and communication setting will be turned off. Thanks for watching this video.